the beautiful stable energy of the secure energy of we've got the King of Cups as well. I'm just loving this because these are, it just split there at the Six of Wands. This is marriage, this is fulfillment, this is happiness. This isn't somebody who is going to come in and there's going to be issues. This is them, the karma card. This is you getting your karma. You know, like time after time dating rubbish relationships and you're saying, look, I've learned enough. I've learned enough lessons. I've had enough lessons. Actually, I want someone I can grow with and be happy with. And the universe, this is the universe bringing that into your life. Page of Pentacles with the Ace of Wands here. So this is a beautiful energy. It's saying this difficult time is behind you. You're about to meet somebody. I could cry. I feel very emotional. You're about to meet somebody very, very special. Again, with the Ace of Wands, with the Ace of Swords, this is new beginnings. I can't iterate that enough. The number 5 is prevalent, like the 5th, maybe the 5th of February. Ace of Wands, new beginning again. Spirit is just letting us know that this is a brand new relationship. Please don't think it's your ex crawling back. Please don't think this is, you know, whatever. Spirit is saying you have done the inner work, you've done the emotional courage, you've got the emotional courage, you've done the emotional growth to have a beautiful, happy, healthy, fulfilling, loving sexual relationship. New beginnings again. End of cycles, new beginnings. This is somebody, right, I feel like you've been manifesting this energy and I feel like they've been manifesting you. I feel like you have both been calling for each other but not putting a name on it or a face on it, but you have ended up finding each other. That's how it's going to be. This person has been wanting to end out a cycle in their life and you are giving them the courage to do that. This person has been wanting a new beginning and you are giving them the courage to do that. This person holds you in very, very high regard. You have a lot of value, a lot of weight for this person. Like, they respect you. This person's been manifesting you just as you've been manifesting them. This is a collective who journals. This is a collective who is spiritual. This is a collective who manifests. You do journal, you do love spells, not love spells like on someone, but I feel like you manifest under the moon. You are in tune like that. It's showing me that you are. And if you're not, then this reading's not for you. I feel like you've overcome a lot of pain in your past, a lot of pain, and you've grown from strength to strength. I feel like Spirit wants to say to you that people do find their soulmates. I feel like you've been looking for a really long time, and I feel like they have as well. They didn't realize as much until they met you. They didn't realize that it was missing until they met you, and then it made them realize what they was lacking. And I want you to know, and Spirit wants you to know, you do find your soulmate. It is possible to meet the person of your dreams and to fall madly in love. You're coming up as the Queen of Cups here, strong water sign energy. It is possible to do that. People do it all the time. Just because there's a lot of breakups, there's also a lot of people meeting who have met their soulmate, their twin flame, and they want to go on that next journey with them together. Look, they are going to want to take that leap of faith with you. When you come together, for both of you, there is something about financially, there is progression. Not just financially, but I feel like to do with the business. So whether you collaborate or whether there is support somewhere, but I definitely see you working together, and I definitely see the business progressing for you together. So there's a business angle to this as well. So your partnership is not only emotional, loving, fun, healing, it's also financially abundant. And it's a really, really good reading, guys.